Verifying your domain on ShipStation is an essential step to ensure that your email communications are properly authenticated. Follow these simple steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into ShipStation. Access your ShipStation account by entering your credentials on the ShipStation login page. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Step 3. Select Email Settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use sRock to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Add your domain. Look for the option to add your domain. Enter the domain name you wish to verify and follow the prompts to generate the necessary DNS records. Step 5. Update DNS records. Access your domain registrar's website and log into your account. Update the DNS records as specified by ShipStation, then save the changes. Return to ShipStation and click on the verification button to complete the process. After completing these steps, your domain should be verified on ShipStation. Make sure to check back in a few hours to confirm that the verification was successful.